Sanibona bafethu uvana lo. So i-game elandelayo ye-Orlando Pirates bayodlala against i-Richards Bay FC. Njengoba nje bayodlala against i-Richards Bay FC, okuzobe kuyi-game emnandi indlela eyisimanga. Kuzobe kuyi-semi-final ye-Carling Knockouts. Orlando Pirates-ke ade yagcina ukuthi ifike kule sigaba sale competition. Ade futhi yagcina ukuthi ifike kwi-final ye-Carling Knockouts. So bazofuna nje ukuyiwina ngempela le game le because bafuna ukuyodlala i-final ye-Carling Knockouts, bayiwine futhi i-final ye-Carling Knockouts. Kodwa-ke bayobhekana ne-club esefike kule sigaba kathathu kulandelana okuyi-Richards Bay FC esebejwayele vele ukudlala kule sigaba sale competition. So kuzoba kuyi-game emnandi indlela eyisimanga ebaluleke kakhulu. So nje abalandeli kumele bawathenga amathikithi. Kodwa-ke mina ngizokhuluma nge-lineup prediction. Nayi i-lineup mina engayisetha uma sengithola ithuba. La ungangitshela eyakho kuma-comments ukuthi ngathini i-lineup, but-ke nayi eyami. Ungayigxeki yami, ungayigxeki ngitshele eyakho kuma-comments. Nami ngeke ngiyigxeke, ngitshele eyakho, ungayigxeki yami. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi wena eyakho ungayisetha kanjani, yabo. Epalini, first and foremost, ngaqala ngabona ngoSipho Chain. Sipho Chain uyena goalkeeper engamqalisa kule game le. Uyena mjida mfethu osivimbela kamnandi, bakhona odladla, bakhona abafethu obuthelezi, but-ke kule game le sidinga ukuthi sifake ama-big guns wethu. Ama-big guns wethu uyibona ngoSipho Chain bayawazi umsebenzi kumele bawenze lapha, bastophe yona i-Richards Bay ukuthi idlule ko-Orlando Pirates. Njengoba nje u-Orlando Pirates idlala away, so kumele senze sure ukuthi sihamba ne-win la. So ukuthi kuma-center backs, kuma-center backs angifuni siloku esishintsha kakhulu. Yabo lento yokuloku esishintsha kakhulu iyona le sometimes esenza sibe yabo singabi mnandi emuva. Last game sishintshile laphana, yabo bengekho i-communication ethini. Yabo abajila abadlalile but-ke siluzile. Yabo nge-defense, ngowe-defense for me, I think i-defense iluzile because ba-concede igoli. Defense angimele i-concede. Akumele si-concede manje, kumele siqonde nje sikubona, singa-concede lutho emuva. So ngiyambuyisa uMbukazi uzodlala no-CM. Abajita ngiyabazi, bona bajwayele ukusenzela umsebenzi lapha emuva. So iyona defense mina engayiqalisa leya against i-Richards Bay FC. Kungadluli lutho nje emuva. Wena ungangitshela ukuthi ngathini i-defense yakho, ngambuyisa uSibisi. Yes, uSibisi udlale kahle kule game esiphuma kuyona bafethu. Udlale kahle uSibisi kule game esiphuma kuyona, but-ke abajwayele ukudlala ndawonye beno-CM, abajwayele inakhulu beno-CM. So ingakho mhlawumbe i-communication ivele yalekha kubo bobabili kule game esiphuma kuyona. But-ke kule game esiya kuyona njengamanje kumele kubuye bani uMbukazi. Bayakhonetha kakhulu uMbukazi beno-CM. uSibisi ukhonetha kakhulu mezodlala noMbukazi. For me uyakhonetha futhi mezodlala noSesani. Mezodlala noSiyema, I feel like uSiyema kumele simqalise nama-defenders ahlukahlukene khona ezowajwayela ama-defenders i-Orlando Pirates ahlukahlukene. Mase kuthi-ke kuma-wingbacks, i-right wing back bese ngamqalisa abafethu Lebitso. Lebitso last game umjito ube-underrated kakhulu. Udlalile uLebitso last game. Lebitso uyinikelile last game and ngiyithandile indlela abadlala ngakhona. So ngingamqalisa kule game esoyidlala against i-Richards Bay FC. I-Richards Bay FC enye yama-team engamele siye swatha sayancane njengoba siya kule game le. Yabo singayi nge-mentality yokuthi vele sesiyowina, asifile abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Cha, kumele siqalise uLebitso, abadlali abajwayele ukuqala. Yabo mase kuthi ka-left wing back mhlambe kabantu bangangiphikisa, mhlambe abantu basho awuvane kanjani manje. But-ke yes, I know uyitholile man of the match last game uNdaba. Yes, uyitholile, but come on guy. Come on, uDeon Hotter bafethu. Ngingamkhohlwa. Yes, I know I'm not a big fan of Deon Hotter, but kwi-game kanje we need uDeon Hotter. Naye unawo ukuthi asibukele phansi. Yabo i-performance yakhe ingabi mnandi kuma-big games, but in a game like this, experienced player like uDeon Hotter, you kind of need uDeon Hotter kwi-game kanje. So mina, this is my back four. Normal back four i-Orlando Pirates engajwayele ukuconsider kakhulu. Abajita baya-understandana indlela abadlala ngakhona. Mekhuphuka uLebitso uyakwazi ukuthi uSiyema amkhavele adlale leya position leya. So iyona back four yami le eqinile engingayiqalisa mase ngithola ithuba. Now ungangitshele yakho, but-ke sengizoya esiswini manje. Esiswini bafethu ngingaqalisa baningi, ngingaqalisa uTalente Mbatha zo number 6. We saw umjida bafethu uSihlenduli, umjida uthentekile kule game esiphuma kuyona. Ngingazi noma uzoba available noma ngiyazi abe available, but ngingamqalisa mina uTalente Mbatha. Maybe Makhehleni Makhawula, we might see Makhehleni Makhawula starting in that position ya number 6 because ulimele uSihlenduli. But-ke based on what we saw kule game esiphuma kuyona, after kuphuma uSihlenduli kwangena uTalente Mbatha, it seems like uTalente Mbatha uyayi-understanda leya ndawo leya and udlale ngempela umjidi uyakwazi ukuthi ayishove leya ndawo leya. So I trust him to deliver against i-Richards Bay. So I put him on that position to deliver us ibhola elihle, to give us something, yabo. So when wangitshela usungadlalisa ba as a number 6, but mina I trust umjida uzodeliver. So kuthi phambi kwakhe ngingaqalisa bani na? Ngingaqalisa uNemtajela with uSipho Mbuli. Nemtajela and Sipho Mbuli, abajida for me bangigqilile last game. Badlale kahle last game. Sipho Mbuli uyakwazi ukuyi-control i-game, uyakwazi ukuthi tempo yayo masishisa kakhulu athi uyehlisa kancane. Yabo, athi uyehlisa kancane. I-team edlala nayo imeza mawala, uyakwazi ukuyipholisa i-game. I like him for that. Jido creative, uyakwazi uku-create ama-opportunities. Nemtajela naye ngingamqalisa umjida. Yabo, he's a favorite player ya coach, so you cannot question ama-decision ya-coach kakhulu. So ngingamqalisa mina Nemtajela umjida naye. Sometimes uyakwazi ukuthi asinikeze creative Nemtajela. With the ball, he's creative. He's that number 8 creative. Okwazi ukusinikeza something, yabo. So ungangitshela-ke uthi isisu sakho ungasibalansisa kanjani, iyona mina indlela engasibalansisa ngayo isisu, yabo. Singiyesazi ukuthi misodlala nayo ukuthi iyona izobe ibophele kanjani esiswini, but-ke isona sisu sami lezi indlela engasiqalisa ngakhona. Asazi. Mase sithi kuma-wingers. Kuma-wingers futhi nakhona angifuni ukushintsha kakhulu. Yabo, angifuni ukushintsha kakhulu. We must keep the same composure left wing abafethu. Ngaqalisa bani? Osunapolice bafethu. Yabo lo mjida star. Osunapolice uLetheboa Mboremo. Both of these guys ngingabaqalisa ku-Orlando Pirates as ama-wingers. Osunapolice, I trust him to score a goal kule game le. I trust futhi uLetheboa Mboremo ukuthi akore. Between two of these guys, they will score against the Richards Bay. Not undermining Richards Bay, but I know these guys, they are capable of making something out of nothing. They are capable. Yabo. So I trust them to deliver against the Richards Bay. When wangitshela ukuthi ungaqalisa ba kuma-wingers, which will start uRelebohile Mofokeng. Mofokeng, remember umjida ungenile against the Colin Arrows. He was featured in that game and he delivered a beautiful assist enikeza uYanela Mbuthuma. So I wouldn't rush kakhulu uRelebohile Mofokeng. I will put him on the bench because ukumrusha kakhulu umdlali esathanda kubuya ku-injury kungadala ukuthi umjida aphinda limali futhi early. So I will put him on the bench kancane, ngiloko ngim-in. Yabo, uloku umbuyisa nje gradually, but ungamforce back in. Umbuyise nje kancane gradual because ini-injury ayifani nje amanye ama-injuries. Ini-injury bafuthi iyashesha ukuthi ithunukale futhi. So iwona ama-wingers lawa engawaqalisa mina mase ngi-22. Mase ukuthi striker. The striking position bafethu. Yanela Mbuthuma. I think the guy deserves to start a game against Richards Bay. Against his former side, the boy deserves to start. He needs to play that game. It's a must ukuthi ayidlale a game against his former team. We need to see him scoring against his former team. I'm not saying anything against the Richards Bay. I'm not beefing with the Richards Bay or anything, but I need him to start against the Richards Bay. He knows very Richards Bay uthi dlala kanjani. Uyawazi ama-defenders akhona. Yebo. So iyona lineup mina ngayisetha le mase ngithola ithuba. Now ungangitshele yakho kuma-comments ingathini lineup.